Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to let you know how we can delete the blog comments on WordPress website. Now we do have the website called Click and Capture Studio, and in the Click and Capture Studio, we do have the blogs that we have written, right? Now when I click on the blog, we can see all the blogs that we have written. Now imagine that in the wedding photography blog, now I quickly would like to open this blog so that I can show you the comments. Now I quickly would like to completely scroll down till the bottom where we can see the comments that are written on this particular blog. Here I can see one of the users, Cecile, he have written the blog, well written blog, very useful. Now imagine that we have already approved it long ago, or maybe yesterday, or maybe before 1 week. If I want to delete this particular comment, how will I be able to do that? So it is very simple. All we have to do is we have to navigate to the WordPress, and just in case if you do not see these elements, what you have to do, right after the website URL, after the .com, you have to enter /wp-admin, and then you have to click on enter. It will take you to the WordPress login page where you have to enter your username and password. Then you will be landing on the WordPress admin dashboard page. Now in the dashboard page, you have to navigate to the comments section, and once you open the comments, you have to scroll down a little bit so that you will be able to see all the comments that are mentioned in the blog. Now this particular comment written by Cecile, well written blog, very useful. We have already approved the comment, right? So what we have to do, we have to unapprove that comment so that it will be removed from the blog, and none of the new users who access the blog will be able to see this particular comment because it is disapproved and it cannot be visible. And then even if we really wanted to delete the comment permanently, like if we do not want to see from this particular place, we have to click on trash, it will be all gone. So it is so simple to delete the blog comments. And if you really find this video helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, you can navigate to Edurself YouTube channel where I have did more than hundreds of videos and updated in the digital marketing playlist. And I'll be doing more and more digital marketing videos. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.